What's going on, guys? Today I'm working on my 7.3. I am going to be doing the temp sensor, temp switch, whatever you want to call it. This is actually called a temp switch. Stock number UT25. I'm pretty sure you can cross-reference that. This is from AutoZone. $19.99 with a lifetime warranty. Good enough for me. Yeah, it's very easy to do. The location of it is actually right there. There is your thermostat housing, where your thermostat goes right here to the right, and to the left is the actual sensor. There is a little wire here. There's a little wire that goes on top of it. I pulled it off. So yeah, we're going to be doing that. It's very easy to do. Basically, just need a long extension, deep socket, 18 millimeter for that to remove it.